This is Michigan Constitutional Crusader. We're out at Joliet, Illinois. God.
What up, y'all?
Out here with Spanky
guy,
Jeans.
and we're out here at this place.
Yeah, Joliet.
Checking her out.
We'll see what they think.
Entrance.
Oh, we got to cross the bridge just in time.
Yeah.
That big ship come through in the opening. Oh, there you go. You can see it.
Oh, yeah, you can.
It's closing now.
Yep. Yep, it is closing. Cool.
I'd love to line my driveway with these trees. I think that'd be cool.
Oh, Joliet County government offices.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. But they'll probably be closed by the time we get out of here.
Probably. They might already be closed.
Right.
$19.98.
Hi there. How
How's it
can I help
going?
you?
Oh, just looking around.
Hello, how are you?
Good about yourself.
Good.
Hello. I'm by myself.
Oh, okay. Can we help you?
No, I don't need any help.
Can I help you?
No, I don't need any help.
And your name is? Do you have a name?
Of course I have a name.
What is your name? I want to do a fence permit.
Okay.
I filled that out,
Okay.
and I don't know if do I need to make a copy or?
I can make a copy if you need me to.
Yes, can you do it? Sure. Thank you.
She ran away. It's the legal department and human resources, and she ran away. Oh, nice elevator.
Sure.
Yeah, we could use the stairs
Yeah.
and go down there and check it out. Okay.
Upstairs? Did they help you out or how did that work for you?
Real estate transfer stand. What is it? What is a real estate transfer stand?
It's the tax you pay when you sell the property.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
It's the tax you pay when you sell a property.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Yep. I'd rather take a Sweezy though. Got her to laugh.
All that stuff, you gotta back it up
Cool.
with the plan. You can't just on Tuesday.
You wanna
be
wander
like,
over
"Hey,
there?"
Can we get those on the agenda tomorrow?
Probably closed.
Like that doesn't work.
Kind of looks closed.
Let's go on there.
Okay. How's it going? What, to the PD?
Yeah, why not?
Or do you want to window shop?
Huh?
Or do you want to go window shop first?
One window shop at the courthouse.
Yeah, that probably closes at 4:30 too.
5.
So let's go window shop the courthouse and then go window shopping and let the cops come to us.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right. Pause this for a minute. All right, now we're out at the courthouse. Yeah. Oh, look, privacy glass. Casino parking.
Yeah,
Oh, it's right there. That sure is a big courthouse.
Isn't it?
I see that.
right there, taking pictures of any kind is prohibited in all areas of the courthouse.
Huh. Good thing we're not inside.
Why are you recording me?
Because you walked out the door. Oh, I can see into the clerk's office from this angle. He's on the radio.
Yeah, I've seen him on the radio a couple
You can
times.
see into the clerk's office from this angle.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, you sure can.
I wonder what he'll think if we flip him off. He pulls out the camera and we both give him that bird. Ooh, I'm scared of the camera.
Don't take my picture. I didn't give you permission to take my picture. Where'd you go, cameraman? There you are. It's like they both gave me the bird.
He looks furious.
What's he pointing at?
I don't know, but I just flipped him off. I think he's pointing at the cameras.
Oh, that's funny.
Tubby court
All right.
security guy.
Let's roll. We're not gonna say anything, Joe. Which is good. Well, that's funny. He pulled his body camera off and held it up.
That was funny. Let's go around this way.
Oh, okay.
So we got to go back to the car and move.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna go find somewhere else to park. For
Yep.
window shopping.
Yep.
Well, I mean, how they don't know how long you've been there, and that probably only applies during business hours.
Yeah, after business hours, it might be closed. Not able to park.
Said that.
Oh, there's somebody there. Yeah. That's the one that left the security area.
Oh, is that the one that left?
Yep. These guys all just come out of that door.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What? Was she yelling at the kids on the short bus?
Probably.
I think she was yelling at the kids on the short bus. That wasn't very nice.
Right?
I only yell at pigs and attorneys. And when I say pigs, I mean cops.
Right. Those guys were so uncomfortable when they come out that door and I was standing there. Got all their faces. They're like,
Nice.
damn it.
Damn it! Trying to get out before it. Son of a bitch. Hello. This says do not enter.
Yep, exit only. No. So that's the courthouse anus right there.
That's some fancy fucking doors to bring prisoners in.
No, this is the exit.
Is that
The other side is the entrance. Although it looks like they come in this side too. Yeah. Way to turn your turn signal on. On a motorcycle, it's the most important thing you can do, dude. Come on.
Right.
You almost got hit by that car.
Right. All right, John. That was the City Hall and the courthouse. We'll see you on the exit. God bless.
Yeah, we're out of here. Gonna go downtown window shopping now.
See them already window shopping.